In many workshops, garages, and construction sites, scrap wood is often overlooked, stacked in corners, or thrown away without a second thought. Yet within those imperfect pieces lie textures shaped by time, grains marked by history, and character that new materials can never replicate. At Kuki Decor, we believe that these imperfections are not flaws, they are signatures of authenticity. When repurposed with intention, scrap wood becomes a powerful medium for artistic expression and sustainable living. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, a place where forgotten materials are given a second life, and every piece of wood has a story waiting to be retold. Today, we invite you into a world where creativity meets responsibility, where rough edges become design statements, and where scrap wood transforms into chic decor pieces that warm the soul as much as they elevate the home. This is not just about decorating a space, it's about redefining how we see value, beauty, and potential in what others might discard. As we begin this journey, imagine holding a small offcut of wood in your hands. It may be uneven, weathered, or scratched, but look closer. The grain still flows, the surface still carries warmth, and the material still longs to serve a purpose. This is where redesign begins, not with perfection, but with vision. By simply reimagining scale, function, and placement, scrap wood can evolve into decor that feels curated, stylish, and deeply personal. One of the most beautiful transformations comes from turning scrap wood into wall decor. Small wooden pieces arranged thoughtfully can become striking geometric compositions, organic mosaics, or minimalist panels that add texture and depth to blank walls. Unlike mass-produced art, these designs feel grounded and honest. Each cut, joint, and finish contributes to a visual rhythm that connects the space to nature. Whether stained lightly to preserve the grain or left raw for a rustic look, scrap wood wall decor instantly brings warmth and character into modern interiors. Beyond walls, scrap wood finds new life as functional decor pieces that serve a purpose while still feeling artistic. A narrow offcut can become a floating shelf, holding books, plants, or handmade ceramics. A thicker block may transform into a side table, a stool, or a display base for treasured objects. These creations blur the line between furniture and decor, reminding us that functionality does not have to sacrifice beauty. In fact, when thoughtfully designed, function enhances aesthetic appeal. Lighting is another area where scrap wood shines in unexpected ways. When paired with soft bulbs or warm LED strips, reclaimed wood frames, bases, and housings create an atmosphere that feels intimate and calm. A simple wooden beam can become a pendant light, while smaller pieces can form table lamps that glow gently in the evening. The contrast between light and aged wood creates a balance that feels modern and timeless, perfect for cozy corners and relaxed living spaces. What makes scrap wood decor truly special is its adaptability across design styles. In rustic interiors, raw finishes and visible grain celebrate nature's honesty. In modern spaces, clean cuts and smooth sanding allow scrap wood to feel refined and intentional. In industrial settings, pairing reclaimed wood with metal accents creates bold contrasts that feel urban yet warm. No matter the style, scrap wood adapts effortlessly, proving that sustainability and elegance can coexist. As we redesign these pieces, there is also a deeper satisfaction that comes from mindful creation. Using scrap wood is not only cost-effective, but it also reduces waste and supports an eco-conscious lifestyle. Each reused piece means fewer resources extracted from nature and fewer materials sent to landfills. Decorating your home with repurposed wood becomes an act of care for the environment, for craftsmanship, and for future generations. In many ways, working with scrap wood reconnects us to slower, more intentional living. It encourages us to pause, observe, and appreciate what already exists. Instead of chasing trends, we begin to value uniqueness. Instead of replacing, we repair and redesign. This mindset shift is what makes upcycled decor feel so meaningful. These pieces are not just objects. They are reminders that beauty can emerge from simplicity, and that creativity thrives within limitations. As your space fills with repurposed wooden decor, it begins to tell a story, your story. A shelf made from leftover planks becomes a symbol of resourcefulness. A handcrafted wall piece reflects patience and imagination. These items spark conversations, not because they are expensive, but because they are authentic. Guests notice the warmth, the texture, and the sense of intention woven into every detail. At Kuki Decor, we celebrate these quiet transformations. We believe that chic decor does not need to be loud or extravagant. Sometimes, it's found in the subtle curve of a reclaimed edge, the soft sheen of natural oil, or the balance of form and function achieved through thoughtful redesign. Scrap wood allows us to embrace these subtleties and create spaces that feel lived in, loved, and alive. As this journey continues, remember that inspiration does not come from perfection, it comes from possibility. Look at the materials around you with new eyes. That leftover wood piece may be the beginning of something beautiful. With creativity, patience, and a touch of courage, even the smallest scraps can become meaningful decor that reflects who you are and what you value. Thank you for spending this time with Kuki Decor, where we turn discarded materials into design inspiration and transform everyday spaces into warm, thoughtful homes. If this story resonates with you, stay connected with us. We share new ideas, everyday ideas rooted in sustainability, creativity, and the timeless beauty of wood. Until next time, keep creating, keep redesigning, and never underestimate the beauty hidden in what others leave behind.